should shoot him again, I think. I think he's still on it. I'll shoot him again.
Shoot him to the right.
What?
Yeah, like make sure you hit him to the right.
He's dead now. Let's go. First turkey ever here. I've never killed a turkey here before. Let's go. That worked out awesome.
Yeah, it did.
I was waiting for him to turn, come into the decoy. I was gonna wait, and I was like, might as well shoot him now. Man, that's nice.
Congrats.
Thank you. Got that video too.
Yeah. Oh no, I forgot to hit record.
Yeah, funny. Because I could just see a little bit of, like, just a little bit of movement in the brush. And he came out right the second he could find an opening.
Good thing you brought your fishing poles.
I know. First morning done. I had a feeling of, should I shoot him again?
No, he's alright.
There should be some BBs in them.
Yup. Be chewing on BBs.
It's okay. I've done that before. Let's go.
Yeah.
I'm so happy about that. Gotta make sure the gun is safe. A beard on him.
Yeah, nice one.
Yeah.
Jeez, it looks real nice.
Yeah. Gotta take him to Tall Tales. Go get him.
Wait.
Yeah, wait.
Alright, congrats.
Yeah, that's awesome.